Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down the technicals and the news behind the markets. Today we're taking a look at Litecoin, the silver to Bitcoin's gold, and trying to figure out where it's headed next. This is LTCUSD, the Litecoin price expressed in US dollars. The news is very bullish for Litecoin right now, as it is the third cryptocurrency to be offered by Fidelity Digital Assets, which manages over $12 trillion in assets. The company's decision to add Litecoin to its offerings is a significant endorsement of the cryptocurrency, highlighting its potential and increasing its credibility within the market. Fidelity's involvement in Litecoin could be a game-changer, attracting more institutional investors and potentially boosting demand for the digital asset. This could lead to a surge in Litecoin's price, as institutional capital inflows are known to have a considerable impact on cryptocurrencies. However, we'll have to wait and see how the market reacts to this news and whether it translates into sustained price momentum. Additionally, Litecoin's third halving event is just around the corner, scheduled for Wednesday. This halving event will reduce the rate at which new Litecoin is issued by 50%, making it a potentially significant catalyst for price appreciation. With the halving event, supply of Litecoin is expected to tighten significantly, leading to a potential increase in price as demand outpaces the reduced supply. This halving event has already resulted in a price surge, with Litecoin's hash rate rising in anticipation. However, the market's reaction to the halving event is difficult to predict. Some investors might be expecting a short-term price pump and could be looking to sell, leading to a price correction. We'll need to monitor the market closely around the halving event and see how it unfolds. Overall, the news surrounding Litecoin appears to be bullish, with Fidelity's addition to their offerings and the upcoming halving event presenting potential catalysts for price appreciation. However, as always, it's important to remember that the market is unpredictable and volatility is a key feature of the cryptocurrency space. We need to remain cautious and look for confirmation signals on the charts before making any investment decisions. Let's dive into the charts and see what the technical indicators are telling us. First, let's take a look at the daily chart for LTCUSD. On the daily chart, we can see that Litecoin has been experiencing a strong bullish trend since the start of August. The price has rallied significantly from the low of $62 to the current price of $66. This bullish trend is further supported by the strong volume accompanying the price rise. This suggests that there is strong buying pressure behind this rally and that it may have further room to run. We can also see that the price has broken through the previous resistance level of $65, which is now likely to act as a strong level of support. This means that if the price dips, it is likely to find support at $65 and bounce back. Another key level to watch is the $70 mark. This level has been a major resistance level in the past, but with the recent bullish momentum, it could be broken soon. A breakout above $70 would be a strong bullish signal for Litecoin. However, we need to be aware that the price has been highly volatile recently, and a pullback to the $65 support level is possible. It's important to monitor the market closely and look for confirmation signals before making any decisions. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. The 1-hour chart shows that Litecoin has been consolidating between $64 and $66 for the past couple of hours. The price has been trading in a range, but there are some bullish signs emerging. The recent bullish momentum is visible in the higher highs and higher lows on the chart. The RSI, Relative Strength Index, is currently above 50, suggesting that the bulls are in control. However, the RSI is also showing signs of overbought conditions, which could indicate a potential pullback. We need to watch out for any signs of a bearish reversal, such as a break below the $64 support level. If the price falls below $64, it could be a sign that the bullish momentum is fading. We'll be watching the 1-hour chart closely for any signs of a break in either direction. The 15-minute chart gives us a more granular view of the recent price action. We can see that Litecoin has been experiencing a lot of volatility in the past few hours, with the price fluctuating up and down. This is not surprising given the news around the upcoming halving event and the news regarding Fidelity. The price has been trading in a tight range, but we can see some bullish signs. The price is currently trading above the 20-period moving average, which is a bullish signal. However, the 15-minute chart also shows that Litecoin has been testing the resistance level of $66 multiple times. It is important to note that Litecoin is still near the top of the current range on the daily chart, so a pullback to the $65 level is likely, especially with the RSI being overbought. A break below $65 would be a bearish signal, while a breakout above $66 would be bullish. We'll be keeping a close eye on the 15-minute chart for any signs of a break in either direction. It's important to remember that the market is highly unpredictable and volatility is a key feature of the cryptocurrency space. We need to be cautious and look for confirmation signals on the charts before making any investment decisions. Now let's go back to the daily chart. Looking at the bigger picture, Litecoin has been consolidating in the $60 to $70 range for the past several weeks. This consolidation phase could be ending soon, as the price has shown strong bullish momentum in the past few weeks. The upcoming halving event could provide the catalyst for a breakout above the $70 resistance level. However, it's also important to remember that a breakout below $60 would be a bearish signal and could lead to a more significant price correction. We'll be watching the daily chart closely for any signs of a breakout or breakdown. The next few days will be critical for Litecoin as the market reacts to the upcoming halving event and the news regarding Fidelity's involvement. We'll need to monitor the market closely and look for confirmation signals before making any investment decisions. Let's recap the key price levels to watch for Litecoin. The $65 level is now likely to act as a strong level of support, with the recent break above the previous resistance. A break below this level would be bearish and could lead to a pullback to the $60 level. The $70 level is a major resistance level, and a breakout above this level would be a strong bullish signal for Litecoin. It could lead to a significant price rally. It is important to remember that these are just potential scenarios, and the market can always surprise us. The price could move higher or lower, regardless of the news events or technical indicators. It's important to do your own research and understand the risks involved before making any investment decisions.